Come again. So today the question is, Aisha draws a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 60 centimeters square. The length is 4 centimeters more than the width. Now the first thing you need to understand is, what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is length times breadth. It means that the rectangle that Aisha drew is LB equal to 60 centimeters square. Okay, so you say 60 here. Let's say equation 1. They said the length is, that means the L is equal to 4 more than the width. So 4 plus the width. Is either you call it width or you call it breadth. So since they use width in the question, let's change it to width. Width or breadth is the same thing. Okay, so let's say width. Now this is equation 2. Now already we have L in equation 1 and we have L now as equation 2. But they gave us that L is equal to 4 plus W. All we have to do now is, since we have L in equation 1, substitute for what L is in equation 2 in equation 1. So substitution method. So substitute 2 in 1. So it becomes 4 plus W multiply by W equal to 60. So we have to open up the bracket. So you do W times 4 is 4W plus W square equal to 60. Once you see W square, you have a quadratic equation, and there are 3 methods for solving a quadratic equation. But today we'll be looking at factorization method, and then maybe subsequently we'll look at completing the square method. But I will also give you the formula for finding formula method, because we have 3 methods: factorization, formula method, and completing the square method. Okay, so now we have our quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation is W square plus 4W. You bring your 60 in, minus 60 equal to 0. While we're bringing 60 in, we are trying to make it a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has 3 components: A, B, and C. A is the coefficient of W square, because a quadratic equation is A square plus BX plus C. What's a coefficient? Okay, so we have the quadratic equation formed. We now have W square plus 4W minus 60 equal to 0. Now a quadratic equation has 3 components: A, B, and C. So A square plus BX plus C. What's a coefficient? A coefficient is the number in front of a variable. The variable here is